Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I believe you are doing great by the grace of God. Guys, today I'm back with another video. As I promised that I'll bring you a video of cold pressed avocado oil. I'm doing just that today and I hope you like this one as well. Like you've shared, commented, and liked the previous video. I do really appreciate you all. Thanks for the love and support. So if you are new on this channel, you are warmly welcome, and I believe you also join us after watching this video till the end. As I have said earlier, we are making another avocado oil. This time is the cold press method. The previous one was hot press, and I showed you 4 ways. So guys, if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Check it out and you'll be amazed. So family, if you are interested to know how I'm going to make this all set and ready, then keep watching, go nowhere, and let's get into the video right away. All right. All you will need is your ripe and soft avocados, and I have 6 here, but unfortunately I have 3 all soft and rotten. So I'm going to use just 3 for this video. I'm going to cut it into 2, remove the seeds, and then use my spoon to scoop out the buttery flesh. Alright, good. Now that it's all removed from the skin, we're going to crush it into a smooth paste. It's now all smooth out and we like it this way. So now family, do not throw away the skin and the seeds. They have a whole lot of uses and I'm bringing some your way very soon and I'm sure you're going to like them. Now we're going to dry this buttery paste in the sun or you can leave it in a warm area for it to release its fat or oils. So family, this is day 2 and already the green buttery flesh of the avocado is turning into a brown color and that is what we are looking for, okay? So we're going to mix it together and then we will spread it again on the tray. Keep it back in a warm area or in the sun until it all turns into a brown color, golden brown or black color. We just don't want to see anything green in there. So if you are still seeing it green, then let it sit in the sun or in a warm area until it's completely brown, golden brown or black. Okay, this way you'll be able to see traces of oil and that will be it. Guys, now look at that. This is day 3 and you can see it's already dried. It's so dried that I can see traces of oil on top of the avocado paste. I still can see some green avocado paste. So I'm going to just scrape the avocado paste, mix it together, the green and the black together, and I'll leave it in the sun or in the warm area so the next day for it to release more of its fat or oil, and we will continue from there. Lovely people, so far if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and recommend the channel to friends and families who may be interested in my recipes. And if you are new, you are warmly welcome. I believe you have been inspired and so far you are enjoying the video. So please click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to join this amazing family and you will never ever regret it. Wow, this is so interesting, guys. I can see the oils coming out and I'm so happy with this. So if you want to make it in large quantity, all you will need to do is use more avocados and make sure it's soft and ripe. Okay? Not rotten, but soft and ripe. This way you can extract more of the avocado oils. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Isn't this beautiful? And I love it. This is so good. I like this. Wow, and it smells so good, guys. This is how to make your own cold pressed avocado oil at the comfort of your home. Now, this one, it takes time, unlike the hot press method, where you can just use a day to make it. This one will take like 3 days, 4 days, depending on how much heat or warmth you have in your house or in the area you are making it. And also, the quantity you are making will also determine how long it will take to complete the whole process. So it goes hand in hand. Family, I'm so much impressed with how much oil I've been able to extract from small size 3 avocados. And wow, look at that. This is so beautiful. And now, guys, it's time for us to strain the oil from the avocado pulp. Okay, so you just get yourself your chiffon cloth, nutmeg bag. Just use anything that you can use to strain the oil out. Okay, and I'm using my chiffon cloth to do this. Now let's see how much oil we'll be able to strain from the pulp. Avocado oil on the market or in stores are expensive, and I understand why. Because look at this, I have used 3 avocados and the oil I'm getting is so little. It's so little. Look at that. That's why avocado oil is not that cheap on the market. I really get them. I really get them. Now you can discard the pulp, but if it has any uses, I'm not sure I know of that. So if you have any idea, let me know in the comment section below and I'll be really grateful. So guys, that is it. We are done making our own cold pressed avocado oil at home and I'm so impressed and I'm sure you've learned something today and you have been inspired. So guys, we got this little amount and it's fine. So if you want it in large quantities, just use more avocados. Make sure it's soft and ripe. So family, the first oil that I just pointed at is an avocado oil I bought from the store. Okay, so it's a store-bought avocado oil. The second one in the glass bowl is what I made using the hot press method. And the avocado oil in the small container is what we just made today, guys. Cold pressed avocado oil is healthier and can be used for cooking, frying, making your salad dressings. It can be used for the skin, can be used for the hair as well. It's so healthy because there was no heat. And I repeat, there was no heat in the process. Even if there was heat, it was the sun's heat. So it makes it all natural. There was no man-made heat, okay? So the nutrients are all intact and it makes it healthier and better than the hot press method. So family, I will suggest that anytime you want to make your own oil for cooking, for your skin, for your hair, use the cold press method. Even though the hot press method is not bad, but with the cold press method, you are rest assured of your 100% nutrients all intact, okay? That is why it's my go-to method whenever I'm making my own oil for cooking or for the skin. And even for my hair, you can use some of your homemade cold pressed avocado oil for your avocado salad dressings or drizzlings. Thank you all for watching and I believe you have been inspired. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay safe. Mwah. Bye, you all. Kiss.